Namaste, friends. We can actually heal ourselves using merely the tastes, which are nothing but the six tastes that we use in our diet. The six tastes are sweet, sour, salty, pungent, bitter, and astringent. We can also call them as Madhura, Amla, Lavana, Katu, Tikta, Kashaya Ras in Sanskrit language. Using simply these six tastes, we can heal simple problems that we undergo daily. For example, during my visit to India this time, actually my body by nature itself it is pitta in nature, very hot nature body. Okay, and we had to move around different places. So lot of travel is involved and my heat of this body increased a lot. And on top of that, I also was taking some Ayurvedic oil massages. So all these together increased the heat in my body, and because of which all of a sudden my period started. Like it was like almost 15 days earlier. So it was like a sudden shock to me, and the bleeding was so heavy and it continued for 7 days, which was very abnormal, and it was the first experience I had. So then I just took the help of our Ayurveda, where the astringent taste is said to stop bleeding. It can be any kind of bleeding, even the bleeding of gums or bleeding piles, so any ulceration in the stomach or any other places. So this astringent taste helps there. So I took the banana flower juice, which is also recommended by Uni5 Shakti Foundation for like uterus fibroids, PCOD problem. We recommend the juice of banana flower. So I took that juice. Just within 2 hours of taking the juice, the flow reduced. So it was so powerful medicine, we can say. In just 2 hours, I could see the difference in the blood flow. And the next day, it reduced significantly. And by another 1 day, it completely stopped. And how I made the juice is shown now. This is how the banana flower appears. The outer petals or bracts cover the inner florets. So as we peel these outer layers, we find small tiny flowers which are in brownish cream color inside them. So each individual floret will have its own stigma, style, and at the bottom calyx. So I removed the bottom calyx and the stigma and style part of each individual floret. So I removed those and then just simply cut all the other parts of the flower into small pieces and add a half glass of water, or we can even soak these chopped flower pieces in buttermilk and then grind it, so that won't discolor the juice, and also it will be more palatable to taste. Because it is astringent, we won't feel like consuming it. But if we grind these banana flower pieces with plain water, it will turn brownish in color because of the oxidation, and it will be quite difficult to consume too. I took this juice continuously for 3 days, morning around 11 a.m. and evening around 4:30 p.m., that is twice a day. We can use these banana flowers in our cooking as well, not just as juice during the menstrual periods, but we can use in our curries instead of onions, or along with onions in curries and while making vadas. It is great and we won't even know the presence of the banana flower used in them. So such amazing experience I had, which I would like to share with all of you. I know many of girls and women are facing this problem of heavy bleeding and continuously for long time. So this is very powerful and wonderful remedy. Please make use of it. Thank you so much.